The European Federation of Green Roof and Green Wall Associations is a large-scale umbrella network across Europe. We are present in 17 European Union countries, and our specialized topic is nature-based solutions on buildings, such as green roofs and green walls. Through Metabuilding project, we want to offer new knowledge, expertise and services. The Metabuilding project is a very important stepstone for nature-based solutions in Europe. We want to grow our network and connect to many partners across Europe in different other sectors, such as the construction industry.